everyone, it's Bubbles from venomfluidart. Thank you for joining us on another amazing week on our Fluid Art Express with my fantastic art family. So this one sort of took me for a wild adventure this week, and we started off with a bloom vine and we don't end up that way. So sit back, let's stick on some tunes because it really hurts to talk, and let's have some fun with some art therapy. I'll see you at the end.
from the dark, following my heart, coming up for air. This is just a start. Rising from the dark, following my heart, coming up for air. This is just a start. This is just a start. I'm moving through the shadows. I'm moving through the shadows. I'm following the light home. I know I see tomorrow. I'm moving through the shadows. Moving through the shadows. I'm moving through the So night falls, the darkness begins, creeping through the shadows within. Got nowhere to run or hide. It's in my blood. It's in my blood. I keep on fighting. I keep on running. I keep on searching for the light, for the light. Moving through the past and the lies, whispers in the smoke from the fire. Got nowhere to turn this time. It's all around. It's all around. I keep on fighting. I keep on running. I keep on searching for the light, for the light. I'm not lost, I'm not lost. I've seen the light, I've seen the light. I'm not lost, I'm not lost. I've seen the light, I've seen the light. I'm not lost, I'm not lost. I've seen the light, I've seen the light. Oh, I keep on fighting. I keep on running. I keep on searching for the light, for the light. Anybody tell you it's gone way too far? No, nothing gonna help you when it falls apart. The prophets and the preachers told you, but you covered your ears, and now the end is near. Gonna tear it all down. Gonna tear it all down. Gonna tear it all down. you need. Make a resolution, battle till you bleed. Prophets and the preachers warn you.
Okay, everyone, so I told you, it was an adventure. We swiped, we bloom-vined, we comb-overed. We did it all. And that's the thing, it's never over till we say it is. So we'll get Wombat to do a close-up reel of that one for you, and I hope you enjoyed where we ended up at the end, because, damn, I think that some of them effects are really crazy cool. For a stuff-up, you got to be smiling, right? So next up after me today, we have the dynamic duo Tony and Kat Pender and the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. So come on over to the chat and say hi and give them some love. And as always, guys, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. Until next time, take care, stay safe, and I will see you in the next one.